Here's what you need to know about what is a VPN. This is an exam topic in Domain 4, Network Security. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A VPN, Virtual Private Network, creates an encrypted tunnel over a public network like the Internet. It allows remote users and branch offices to securely access private network resources as if they were physically connected to the corporate LAN. VPNs protect data from interception on untrusted networks. Key concept: Encrypted Tunnel. VPNs encrypt all traffic between the client and the VPN server. Even if an attacker intercepts the traffic, they see only encrypted data. Common encryption protocols include IPsec, SSL/TLS, and WireGuard. Key concept: Remote Access VPN. Remote Access VPNs allow individual users to connect to the corporate network from anywhere. The user runs a VPN client that establishes an encrypted tunnel to the company VPN concentrator, commonly used by remote workers. Key concept: Site-to-site VPN. Site-to-site VPNs connect entire networks together over the Internet. A branch office router creates a persistent VPN tunnel to the headquarters router. Users at the branch access HQ resources transparently without client software. Key concept: Split versus full tunneling. Full tunneling sends all traffic through the VPN, Internet and corporate. Split tunneling only routes corporate traffic through the VPN and sends Internet traffic directly. Split tunneling reduces VPN load but can expose corporate resources. Let's look at the full breakdown. Remote Access VPN. Individual user connects to corporate, requires VPN client software used by remote workers. On-demand connection. Site-to-site VPN. Connects entire branch to HQ. Configured on routers, firewalls. Always on persistent tunnel. No client software for end users. Here's a real-world example. A software company has developers working from home across 3 countries. Each developer runs a VPN client that connects to the company VPN concentrator. Once connected, they access internal code repositories, internal Jira, and dev servers as if they were in the office. Traffic between their laptop and the company is encrypted. Even on public coffee shop Wi-Fi, their work is protected. Quick recap before you go. 1. VPN creates an encrypted tunnel over untrusted networks like the Internet. 2. Remote Access VPN. Individual users connect to corporate network via client software. 3. Site-to-site VPN connects branch networks to HQ via always-on router tunnel. 4. Full tunneling, all traffic via VPN. Split tunneling, only corporate traffic via VPN. 5. Common VPN protocols: IPsec, SSL, TLS, WireGuard, L2TP. That's what is a VPN covered. Exam tip: know the 2 VPN types: remote access, client software, individual users, and site-to-site, router-to-router whole networks. Split tunneling means Internet traffic bypasses the VPN, a security risk. Full tunneling forces all traffic through the VPN for inspection. Next up, what is IPsec? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.